He's responding to this.
I hope you did everything good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Whoa, what a lucky guy. You've been unconscious for 3 days now. Thank God you are finally awake.
Where am I? Who am I?
I understand you don't remember the recent activities due to the shock. But do you remember your name or anything about yourself?
Yes. Yes, I know my name. My name is... My name... I don't remember.
Hey! Ha! You don't wake! Hey, yeah. You just they sleep. Me, I think say you don't die, yo. Ah, welcome back.
Stop. Don't hate him. He's in a critical condition. And who are you to him?
Critical condition, as in waiting one.
He lost his memory. He can't remember anything. Or who he is, where he's from. So who are you to him?
Let me check.
Stop.
Sorry.
Can you? This is a hospital. No, excuse me. You need to behave yourself.
Sorry.
This is a hospital.
Sorry.
You can act to his injury. Do you have his family's contact? Please contact them.
Wait.
He lost his memory. He can't remember who he is or any recent activities. Yes.
Yeah. Like sense don't go. You don't get memory. Brain don't damage. Fine man like this. That's not good. That's not good. Hello? You, Tele, Jones, me, Veronica, Okolo, get it? You, husband, me, wife, I be fiancé.
Oh.
Yes, engagement somebody, getting marriage. You, husband, me, wife, Tele, Veronica, repeat after me.
Tele, Veronica.
You don't have to talk. So, can I get his parents? Can you contact his parents for me or his family member? I need to explain his critical condition to them. His parents, sister, mother, father, or brother.
Me family. Me family.
I understand you are fiancé.
Engagement somebody.
Yes. But I need to speak to the mother or the father. Sister or brother, any of them. Can you help me and contact them before the end of today?
You know if you get.
Thank you.
You know if you get. Hello? Tele, Veronica. Tele, Veronica. Husband, wife. Marriage. Engagement somebody. Repeat.
Tele,
Veronica. Exactly.
Tele, Veronica.
My son. Jesus Christ. He's looking at us as if this is the first time I've seen us.
It's all right.
What's happening?
It's all right. Doctor, please, what happened to my boy?
That's why I asked to see the both of you.
Yes.
Your son sustained a concussion to his head due to the severe fall.
My son?
This trauma has caused him a temporary loss of his memory.
Jesus.
Medically, we call it amnesia.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Yeah. Yes, I'm with you.
He can't remember basic things, most especially things that occurred recently.
What? My son? My only son? Oh!
It's all right.
Come on.
It's all right, my dad. Yeah.
My son son cannot fall by himself. Somebody did it. And I have to report to the police to investigate this.
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You heard what the doctor said. He can't remember anything. You know, so even if we report the matter to the police, what will he write? What will I mean? He can't remember anything. I think, Doctor, we should focus more on helping him to recover on time.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Taking him to familiar places, familiar activities,
Okay.
with people around him, will speedy his recovery. I'll give him some drugs that will help fasten his brain recovery.
It's okay.
It's a temporal condition. There is no cause for alarm.
Oh, thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you the good Samaritan
Yes.
that called us?
Oh, yes, yes.
Who saved our son?
Yeah, me, Veronica.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Don't miss you. Don't miss you. So grateful. I'm grateful.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Don't miss you. I'm grateful.
You can go. We'll take care of him.
Take care of him.
Huh?
You can go. You can go.
No. House. Why? Veronica. Stay with Tele. Veronica. Marriage. Somebody. Engagement. Somebody. Fiancé.
Bia? What? Fear what?
Fiancé.
You mean you're engaged to my son?
Yes. He robs me from top to bottom of his heart. He said, Veronica, marry me. I marry
I
him.
can't even have sex.
Fiancé.
It's okay. We'll get to that. Okay. Thank you, Veronica, right?
Veronica.
Veronica.
Yeah.
You can help us with outside. We'll call you soon.
Okay.
We'll call you soon.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait outside.
There.
Sorry.
Yes.
Tele, Veronica. Tele, Veronica. Outside. Remember?
Come on. Thank you. Somebody has to have them. What? Anyway, let him recover first. Sorry.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Huh? Mama?
What do you think you are doing?
Machine gland.
Giving him such dirty food? You are feeding him with chicken feet? My son does not eat this kind of food. If you are really his fiancé, you would have known the kind of thing he eats.
No, Mama. No. If you be really in Mama, you know he like machine gland. I dey cook am for machine gland for him. He enjoy it. It's sweet him.
Are you really engaged to this naughty girl? This low-class girl who calls herself your fiancée? This is serious.
Try it. Try it.
Are you okay?
Tele. Try it. Nice! I know! Tele like him a chinglan. Like him a chinglan.
This is madness.
Sorry. Try it.
Get out!
Sorry.
Are you okay?
No. Yes. Rub it. Nice. Remember. Memory, come back. Sense, come back. Return. Hey! Return. Nice. Mama, why?
Are you okay?
Thank you.
My guy. Come on now, it's me. Tonero. Tony.
Hi. Hello, welcome. Enjoy. Tele. Enjoy. Welcome.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
As you were saying?
Yeah, it's me, Tonero, your best friend. Mom told me you cannot recollect anything. And by the way, I'm sorry I couldn't make it in time to see you at the hospital.
Hold on a minute. So, I have a best friend?
Of course. Tonero, that's me.
Tonero.
That's actually what you call me.
Tonero, I'm really sorry. My memory eludes me. I can't seem to remember your face or anything about you. But since you said you're my best friend, maybe that could be some advantage to me right now. Would you know much about my emotional life? My intimate affairs?
Of course, I do. At least to an extent. The ones you told me about.
Alright, so that lady, Veronica, claims that I engaged her, that she's my fiance. Are you aware of this? What's funny?
You engaged her?
She's my wife to be.
Well, bro, trust me. She doesn't look anything like a woman you would engage. She doesn't fit into your criteria, man. At least I don't remember you engaging any Veru girl. Not to talk of someone who looks like that.
Well, could it be possible that I just wanted something done in secret?
No. She doesn't fit in.
So, what would you say is my spec in a woman?
Come on, Terry. You know you like them educated, intellectual, classy. You like them curvy and beautiful as well. Not this, I don't know.
I mean, even with my memory loss, something in me just suggests that there is something off. I just wish I could remember so I could solve this puzzle. I just feel totally blank.
I think this Veru girl should be in the best position to answer this question. But come to think of it, she doesn't look anything like a girl you would date. Not to talk of even engaging. I'm lost, man. I'm lost.
Good night, sir. Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Okay. I don't look your face since. Your face no dey okay at all. Okay, the verse.
What is it? Anyway, Ada.
Sir.
I'd like to ask you a question. Looking at my son, Terry, do you think he has anything to do with that local girl?
Ah! Forget it! That thing, that girl. Okay, Tani no go fit do that kind of thing. With that girl. You know fit try am. That girl. You see that girl? Me wey be Ada for this house. Where she come? You see that boy where she want me?
Do you want to injure me?
We go plan. I don't think me go score. For this house.
Why do you say so?
Why don't say be say me I sabi cook. I sabi do everything. I mean they do everything for this house. I dey wash clothes. I fine join. You see the kind of food where they cook. Oga Tani no even look me. And that thing we won't look. But Oga, wetin that girl dey find for this house? Na me Ada no know.
Well, what else if not money? Yes, I believe she's scheming away. Scheming. She's scheming away to my son's heart. That girl is a fraud.
Frog.
Fraud.
Frog.
Don't bother yourself. Don't bother yourself. I will search her out and I will deal with her. Yes. If not my son that has this memory loss issue, he would have been able to attest to the girl's claim. Huh? Because this whole thing is ridiculous.
Ready? Read that? Sackcloth. I know see that girl na sackcloth.
Sir, what?
I thought na sackcloth where she be.
Ada.
Sir.
Get out.
Sorry, sir.
Get out.
Sorry, sir. Ridiculously sackcloth. Na wetin she be. Small oga, come and carry the tea.
I said get out.
Small oga.
Hele, it's wrong. Your face in a day like say you don't sleep well. Why is it? Huh? Stink. Memory no good. Why is?
No, I actually did not sleep well. I spoke to Tony, okay? Mm-hmm. It turns out that Tony knows Cynthia, but he doesn't know you. He doesn't even know how close we are. I mean, not to talk of even being engaged to you.
How's is them they know me? Is them they don't know me? Is them don't know me? Because they say private. Hide. House rough is not know anybody. House rough is not know anybody. Anybody's not knows our roles. It's not me.
Let me ask you a question, please.
See.
Tell me the truth.
Tell it. Sure.
Is it that I got you pregnant and I hastily asked you to marry me?
House? No. Looks me? Looks. It's me. It they look like I'll carry black. You know, be marriage. Imali, ikali bele. Imali, ikali bele. Imali, ikali bele. Mali, carry bele. It's me not do like that. No. Not good. It's me, Mali. It's me, kali bele.
So are you telling me that you and I did not make love? You're trying to say we did not make love?
Huh?
You and I did not make love?
You not gonna believe him. I said if you try me again, What's in your face? What if your money? Abi, you don't feel exam. What they doing now? Eh?
Sister, why did you take the last food in the pot out? You have not eaten anything since morning.
Not the ones where you dey chop since. Not be explode, you won't explode now. The fat will make for your body, make it hold your body for you. I call him. I give her my fiancé. They like that kind of food.
Fiancé? So is it Boniface? Is that stupid Boniface you're referring to as fiancé?
See, for your life again. This life ain't you they live. No ever call Boniface name for this house again. Eh? Me and Boniface, we don't break up, tete. Eh? Now I get new baba. Original one when collect. Eh? 9 the lane now. 9 the lane.
Okay, so how come I've not seen this person?
Now because our relationship na secret something. Now hide. We take they do the rough. Eh? So now him don't get spoil for a blame. You know can they work. It be like say in memory he don't come out, you know get sense again. So now I come out, I say I no go let anybody collect my man. I come fight for him. So me and Nnebe now, mama, papa, everybody don't know me now. It's now outside something. No worry, one day you go come this house, you go come see you. I go introduction both of you together. Yeah? No worry, I go find you another food. No verse. Fly go enter. No verse. Oh yeah, wait. I get 100 naira for my purse. Collect and go buy garlic for there. Buy garlic soak first.
Leave me alone, I beg. Leave me. I'm not eating again.
Because I dey pet you.
I'm not eating again.
Chichinwa.
Sister, leave me now.
Person of pet you again. Sorry now.
Leave me, I beg.
Oh yeah, go buy garlic shop. I go buy lice for night for you. Jollof lice from Mama Adobe own. Mama. Okay, excuse me. Mama, the mama future mother-in-law somebody. Hi.
Who is this?
Veronica.
Veronica, you again?
Yes, Mama.
What's your problem?
Nothing, Mama.
Allow my son be.
No, Mama.
Must you come here every day? My son is only engaged to you. He's not yet married you. Why are you here every day? Please stay away from my son.
Ma?
Veronica.
Yes, Mama.
Stay away from my son.
No, Mama.
If not.
Mama. But Shebi, you there. You there. When you there when doctor.
When what?
Doctor. He say stay and show him rub one face. He go to see rub one face. His memory sense come back.
Veronica.
Ma?
Are you his doctor?
Rough doctor.
Stay away from my son. When his memory comes back, you can come.
But
please.
You know our theory does not have sense.
What?
Ma?
What did you say?
Memory sense. Terry.
Memory what?
Sense, you know, gates.
That my son doesn't have
memory sense.
Now I know you are the cause of my son's problem.
Yeah?
I am going to expose you, Veronica.
How's it?
I will expose you.
How's it now?
Veronica,
Ma?
I will expose you.
Open the exposure port.
I have told you, stay away from my son.
Rub in the air. Mama, wait. Hey! Mama, rub in the air. They don't go see anything. If you open the exposure port, rub, then for inside. Rub everywhere, Mama. There's no exposure, Mama. Hi. Waiting.
them born with golden spoon. The only son of Chief Jonas. I take land down.
I have said it. I have what? I have said it. That as I dey rook you like this, they rook you. Person go rook you finish. They go think say, ah, this woman, she get sense. You know get sense. Because if you get sense, you go know say, Rove. Now from hearts, like this, hearts. Huh? They talk nonsense. Now cut to
push love. Drop on one side. Person no they see waiting in one love before go they love am. Person no go see waiting in one love before they love am. Which Baba? Tell me, put up my ear. Which Baba? When give you that way take tie in eye? Spiritual. When no fit no waiting in the key. When you carry mat, they lick this paint way through your mat. I take do. Tell me where the other at the least.
Velo. Oh, Velo.
Now your name be that.
Velo, one of all nations. Calm down. Be coming down. Reduce it with this. Listen. Racing very, very much on a high frequency. Don't try me. I say what? Don't try me. This lipstick when they my lips like this. You know how much it cost me to take a bite of this lipstick? You know? Non-sticker elementals.
Ridiculously sackless.
Non-sticker elementals.
Ridiculously sackless.
Don't do what? Don't try me. I'm washing you. Wash. Like this. Washing you. Look at this dress. This dress. Do you know how much it cost me to buy this dress? You wanna come and spoil it? For what? Who you think you are?
Today is one of those days when I really miss Terry. If he was here, this work would have been done. God, amnesia. Where did such a fall come from? Was he stressed that very day? What must have distracted him that he missed his footing and fell so severely? I hope this ends soon. Terry is my only child, my only hope. Look at all this. The money, companies, mansions, they all mean nothing if my son is not here to enjoy it. I cannot imagine a disease that makes my son forget times he played football with his father and went out for fishing. No. The memories that bonds us cannot be lost. The doctor said he will be fine. That this is just a temporary condition. And to think that he is engaged and I did not give him my blessings. God, it's unlike my son not to ask for his father's blessing before making such a life-changing decision like getting married.
finish this one, I will give you another one.
Let us pray first. Father, bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen.
But this one a spoon, this one a cup, this one a plate. You go to take this spoon, they pack food, they put for your mats. They carry this cup, they drink water. Eh?
Ada, Ma, what are you doing? Are you trying to teach him how to use spoon?
Yes. Don't be tell me say make I the teacher. How you go they do this thing? Say you know how to do anything again. Say in head no correct, you know they remember anything again. How they do?
Allow him to eat, please.
Ada, you know you really do not have to be a case.
I'm a case.
The fact that I do not remember previous occurrences, happenings, or, matters of history does not mean I do not know what is a spoon, plates, fork, cup, and what they are used for. Alright? Oh, you might as well try to teach me where my mouth is or where my hands are.
Now, what's that I want to do?
Don't be stupid.
Allow him. He's just being sarcastic.
Sarcastic. Mother, so when they blow grammar for ordinary house girl when no go school. Wanna eat, yeah?
Ada, you can leave.
May have lost my appetite.
Sister Vero, you've stopped working. How do we survive? There's no food in the house, no money, and our rent is even due.
No worry yourself, eh? My fiancé, he get accident. So I dey take care of him. I say make I know they do any work, make I just dey take care of him.
See, Sister Vero, your fiancé is rich. As you said, he's rich. So his family can take good care of him. You're the only one I have, or you're the only one taking care of me. How do we survive?
Worry. You too dey worry yourself, eh? Don't worry yourself, cool your mind. I get plan. And once my plan, when I the plan done now, everywhere goes soft for us. Eh? Make I just dey take care of him. Once he don't reach one kind level like that, I go bill him. If I bill him, he go drop. Everything go do alright. No, just calm your chest.
Vero, there's hunger due. As in, me, I'm hungry. Don't give him our last food again.
So because I say I carry food flask, go give her food last time, you won't come beat me. I give her last food. Before night reach, I no give you another food. I no provide.
Sister Vero, I beg.
Me I beg. Me I beg. Bring my slippers.
Being engaged, is it an employment? How come she comes here every day?
Dad.
Yes.
Mom, every time I look at her face, I can't help but ask myself how I was able to fall in love with a woman like that. Especially to a point where I even proposed to her. I keep wondering what kind of man I was before the accident.
Son, I'll tell you. Opposite. Yeah. You were a real pain in the ass. Rude to women. That's who you are.
Especially ugly and local ones like this. My son has never associated himself with low-class girls. That was why I said he has never been engaged to her.
Mama, if I wasn't engaged to her, then who is she? And what does she want?
My son, leave that for me. I will sort whatever her plans are, and I will send her back to where she belongs.
Lady V, one of all nations. Reporting for duty. How fast?
Wait.
Sorry.
Since they drag something wey no be your own.
Obvious.
Make I tell you. This clothes, na customer give me say make I wash am. And the customer they come here next tomorrow to come collect am. If they catch you or they catch me say they carry their clothes they give person, my work don't spoil o. And I don't want anything wey go spoil my business.
Thank you. Lady B, one of all nations. Thanking you very much. I will come back home.
You say?
Not be late to do now. See, no, just take your blood they hot, so solid, they come down. This cloth, I go bling them. If I bling them, I go collect another one.
You say waiting?
I go collect wait now. If I collect another one like this, now for me to be fine. Just go. You select all your fine cloth like this. Select. You keep them. You give me.
Wait. I go wait. Select fine. Select fine. What do they use fine clothes they do? As you do like this now, what do they use fine clothes they do? I'll say you know they do for one night because me, I not like for one night business so.
Lady B.
Ready
B. No worry yourself. I said like this now. I don't find collect job like this. Job when mistake gonna give me money for year. Give me money for year. Money. If I come, I wire you. If I wire you like this now, you go get money. Come on for year. This place now, you no go there here again. This place no fit you.
Make I ask you. When you David they return this clothes?
Huh?
When you they return this one where you they carry?
Price and finish.
I tell you say the customer they come next tomorrow to come collect that clothes. They tell me say when you use and finish. I don't understand.
Okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow evening. You go wash them for morning. I go bling them in the morning. You go wash them for evening. You go.
Hey, I don't enter. Yeah.
No, you're not good. No worry. Yeah. Sorry. I go bling them. Plus me.
They go.
You go inside go wash clothes now.
You they go. You wait collect person clothes. You stand there. They tell me say make I they go.
Why they go?
They go.
I go bling them. Trust me.
But if they catch you, make you use your hand answer the query. Because me I not give you anything.
And you not give me. I will keep them.
How?
No worry. Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you. Don't mention.
I don't enter. Oh.
Ada, Alpha, come now. Ada, you come now. Your blood is hot.
Ada, yo, Ada, fine woman. See, anytime when you wear this your clothes, just they look you like this with all this your clothes when they wear this your hair. You fine, just they grow shine bright like a diamond.
You go fire to food there for fire.
I know. Wetin I fit do? Make Oga tell you. They love me. You know, sweet thing. You go the sweet in heart. Your body go the sweet hand. You go help and bring back your memory sense. Wetin? Just tell the small.
If say you been in fiancé, wait the talk. If I know now, what do you make come they ask me? I be they lie to madam.
Me? No. Raya? Me? No. You know say you don't tell you for this house. You are now a foreign member. You don't tell you. You even know as you take clean and she throw away tissue. Me now, yesterday somebody just come in. Arrival, he just resent something.
Get sense.
Yes.
I through the talk. Me, I be like auntie.
Yes.
I be family. Make you make sure say I go help you, but make you make sure say everything wey they talk for this house, wey they tell us, make sure say that true.
Yes. Starting.
I be the life man.
Wait, no, why? No.
I beg.
Wait,
go through the bomb for fire.
Ada. Wait now.
Veronica! Ma! What are you doing here? What are you doing in my kitchen?
Delicacy.
Jesus!
Mama, I say, make I do better, sweet delicacy for my tele. So that when you shop on like this, you go the sweet time.
the bread go sweet am, he go sweet am. Then he go remember the time when he get sense. Then the sense go come back.
Veronica, I have a capable cook. Are you hearing me? I don't need you in my kitchen. Veronica, you can never convince me of my son getting married to you.
Hey.
You are a liar.
Ma?
Veronica,
Yes, ma.
what do you want? Tell me what you want. Because I can see that you need money. Look at it in your eyes. Tell me how much. I will pay you and settle you so that you leave my son alone.
Mama, I don't know how I want to talk him for you again. Eh? I don't know how I want to put him, but I try to put him for correct English. Huh? Money, I don't want. Huh? My rough, not for sale. Money, I don't want. My rough, not for sale. Eh? So, no, please. No, please.
Veronica.
Ma.
You will not tell me how much. You will regret it.
Rough is not for sale, Mama.
You will regret it.
Sorry, Mama.
Get out of my kitchen.
I
said get out of my kitchen.
Food, cooking.
I don't want to see you here again.
Hey. I don't want to see you here. Hey, get out of my kitchen. Get out of my kitchen. Ah, dash. But this one, they fear me, Sha. They look at me like I am a kantatanga. My tailor is gonna shop this. He's gonna do what? He's gonna shop it. He's better sweet him. Jere, sense come back.
You can't drive me come for us. Now drive me come outside, I won't come talk.
Shut up! I drive you out here so that I will tell you something that nobody will hear.
Okay, ma.
Anytime you thought stupidity comes out. Why?
Sorry, ma. So, na secret now me and Madam going to talk. Madam don't trust me today. Tell me secret things. Madam don't they carry me now, they do tatafo. Ada, the level don't high. Now don't they do apruko with Ada.
Shut up!
Yes, ma.
Ada,
Ma?
I am counting on you. Okay. You see Vero? Follow her around. Whatever she does that is suspicious, come and tell me.
Okay, ma.
Do you hear me?
Yes, ma. Ma, you mean say, ma, the spicy Vero. Ma, the spicy am.
Follow her. Tell me everything about her. Eh? If you do as I said, I'm going to double your salary.
Hey, Madam.
Yes.
Relax your mind. Carry cold water, go for your mind. Me, my parents will die. My mama and papa will die. Now spice. Now when they spice the king, now I kill them. We sabi spice for our family. I go spice everybody for this house. I go spice them with curry. I go spice them with thyme. I go spice them.
Food is ready. Food is lady. Food is lady. To eat your food. It's lady.
You know, my legs don't hurt. I could have as well just come down to the dining section myself.
Oh, Lily. Miss Reg is not paying me. This Reg is not paying me. So me, I can bring it. Good wife. Wife, bring food. Husband, shop. Wife, bring food. Husband, shop. Nice. Good.
Good.
Nice. Test it. Yum.
So delicious.
Yes.
Let me ask you a question.
Ask. Enjoy.
Let me ask you a question.
I see.
Was it after I ate your food that I proposed to you?
No. You? You say, Veronica, you come, you dey work in my house, you work, you clean, you cook, you arrange, everywhere fine, everywhere neat. And I say, Veronica, today chop food, jollof rice, I cook it. And you say, Veronica, best. Me, I shop this food every day, forever and ever. Amen. Nice.
Nice. Good.
Aha.
But Veronica.
Uh-huh.
My family don't know you. My friends don't know you. How is it even possible that?
You see, it's not me. You say, Mama, Papa, it pursue me. Mama, Papa, it commotes me for how. I no get money, I no get anything. Rub me like that. I say, tell her, I love you like that. I'm marry you. You say, okay, hide it, private. But me love you, you love me, we marry.
That's what I told you? So hold on, my parents disowned me and they are pretending about it because I can't remember a thing.
But that before, this now, you chop. Food. Chop. Enjoy! Dele, enjoy! Chop. Rub it. Tele, rub it. Yum.
I like the wine. It's fruit wine. Did Terry finish his food?
I hope so.
Did you finish your food?
Hi, darling. I miss you. How you have your bed? I'm so sorry. The old water took my time. You know, I've been thinking about you. I miss you so much.
Solly.
Who the hell are you?
Wait.
Who are you?
You. Who are you?
Yes, who is you?
Hey, shh.
Solly.
Who are you? You barged into my company and start fiddling with my son? Don't you have manners?
I'm sorry, Mr. Jones. I'm sorry, Mrs. Jones. My name is Cynthia Morgan. I'm Terry's girlfriend. We have been dating for a very long time. I traveled for a water. I just got a call that he's been sick, so I rushed to see him. I'm so sorry. Pardon my manners, please.
Oh.
I'm sorry, please.
You're the girl my son fell in love with?
Yes.
Before his loss of memory?
Yes, Mr. Jones.
A girlfriend?
Yes, Mrs. Jones.
An intimate relationship with my
Yes.
son?
No!
Will you keep quiet?
No! Solly, no! How's it? Me telling fiancé, engagement somebody. You no fi come here, come say tele na your tele when tele na my tele. No, that's winch. You big nyash winch. Tele, Rover, come.
Terry, who's this clown?
Come. Let's go.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, Mrs. Jones and Mr. Jones. He promised that he was going to introduce me to you people when I return from...
Oh my God.
I like this. I like it too.
How is it, Mama? Cynthia?
What is
My
this?
goodness.
Is it a rat day?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Man.
Are you part of this game? She looks laughable. Jesus.
Thank you. Don't mention, so I'm grateful. This blessing, Plata, Gulsi, King Colossian, no get anything on top of my balls, eh? The
lesson? Dead lesson. Tele, see me in this lesson? Memory sense, come back. Memory sense, come back. Memory sense, come back. Tele, see me in this lesson? Returning. He say, Veronica, will you marry me? Will you marry me? I say, oh. Yes. Please. Nice.
Must have driven my son into madness.
Yes.
That was why he proposed to me.
Yes.
I'm very sure that he was shocked that day.
Get out. Sorry.
Nonsense.
Mom, I'm very sure Terry was shocked on that day. And that is if that day really existed.
Yes. Is it Sean?
You look like a clown.
Me clown. Thank you. Don't mean you're so ungrateful. Me clown. I be clown. I go inside. I say, Tele. I be clown. Tele see me. Fine, Veronica, you so fine. Veronica,
my son
you
is
so
a big
fine.
boy,
Veronica.
and I know you can handle one stroke. Mad girl.
Mom, are you sure Terry is safe with this girl alone?
Don't worry.
This girl is supposed to be a mental hospital or something. She's not supposed to be here.
Don't worry. He knows what he's doing. He knows. Just chill. My son will get married to you.
I'm really worried.
And nothing can stop it.
Mom,
Just chill.
I'm really worried.
Just be calm. Everything will work out well.
Tele. Highs.
Oh my God. Wait. Hold on a minute. Did you intentionally dress like this to make me laugh? Because if that was your intention, you're really successful at it. I can't help myself right now.
Hey.
Oh my God.
It's spoil. Your brain is really spoil. Memory spoil. Very, very bad. You still no remember. Rook. No remember. Huh?
Remember what, really? What am I supposed to remember? Okay, I do remember that I had a really, really good laugh that day.
No. It's you remember now. Yes. How are you?
Oh my God.
Is you come meet me say, Veronica, will you marry me? You look like this. Me look like this skirt. Everything look like this. I stand, I say, Tele, I will marry you, Remember, dress like this. See, I'll show you. Yes, I'll marry you. Put it. Me, love you, love me marriage. Look, remember, memory come back.
Okay, Veronica, I am really, really confused right now.
That is because you give your attention to an insane person. Why would you be confused? I suggest, Terry, throw this clown out of this house immediately. Look how dressed up.
Less. Scripture? Less in Jesus' name. Less in Jesus' name. What is it? If Tele pray anybody, he pray you. He not pray me, he pray you. He kick anybody like football, he kick you. He not kick me, he kick you like football. Not me, you. Me, girlfriend. Me, fiancé somebody. Me, marriage girl. You, nobody.
Oh gosh. Did you ever look at yourself at the mirror?
Yes.
Do you know how you look?
Yes.
You look like a joke. Dang. Look at what you just did to yourself. Look at what you associate yourself with, Terry.
Tele.
This is it.
Tele.
This is your doing.
It's me joke. It's me joke. Tele. Wakey. Tele. Wakey. Cynthia. It's class.
You man.
It's class.
You are out of
Cynthia is class.
You are out of
It's class.
You are out.
Hey!
Papa, father-in-law, future. Highs.
My friend, will you guys stand there? Stand up.
Sorry. Maiden, you say they call me. I've summoned myself. Yes.
I like your dress. Is
I
it
know
a
it.
Christmas dress?
No. Christmas dress. A day for house. This one, hold hand. Touch it. Sorry. This one, hold hand though. If you want to buy this one like this now, you got whole like $. Then Nike. Original Nike from America. Long one.
Nike?
Yes, sir. You like? Nice.
Let's go to the chase. You and I know that my son can never be involved with you. So let's stop wasting each other's time.
Papa, this thing where you they talk now, it's paining my heart. Papa, I don't be aborted child now.
No.
My head, they my head, not be home now. I not be demonic.
No. But you know that my son can cast a look at you. Talk of being in a relationship with you. I know him well. So tell me, except he's mad before he can get involved with you. So how much do you want? How much do you want? Is it money? How much?
Anything.
Anything. Oh, very good.
Anything.
So name your price.
2.
Oh, 2. Good. 2 naira, 2 kobo, 2 million, 2 billion.
2 million. No now. Me, I'm not going to push 2 million children from my thing. Is plenty. 2 boy, 2 girls. 2 boy, 2 girls. 2 boys learning here, calling mama, grandmama. 2 girls here, calling you grandpapa. You know, 2 everywhere. If you want, okay, do it once. We just do one once like this. Push it 4 plates.
Get out.
Okay, sorry, 3 plates.
Get out.
Sir?
Get out!
Okay, sir, double. Sorry. Double. Last chance!
Will you get out?
Okay, sorry. 1 boy. He go be the head of the gang.
Look, will you get out? Get out!
Sir.
Ha!
Good afternoon, ma.
Such a nice and gorgeous young lady. Sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Why did it take Terry so long to introduce you to the family?
I'm sure he has his reasons, and you know he has high regards for his family. And he's taken his time to present the best daughter-in-law to the family, just to please them.
Oh, exactly my point. So how do we explain this clown who goes about parading herself to be Terry's fiancé?
Oh, that? We all know she wants money. By the time she gets the money, she'll be back to the slums.
You know, I told my brother to discuss with her to name her price, but she remained adamant. You know what she said?
Tell me, Mom.
That she wants to have kids with Terry. You can't believe it.
Really? But come to think of it, everyone has price. Everyone has tag price. I'm sure we really haven't gotten what a price is. If we do, I'm sure she will take it.
Good. I am so glad that we have someone that can join us and fight to get rid of that thing.
Yeah.
We are going to send her back to wherever she came
Correct,
from.
Mom. Mom, but do you have anything that we should do?
It's me. It's the be a breezy woman. It's the bling me here. Wise. Wise.
Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let me go straight to the point. This is 100,000. If you want me to double it, in fact, triple it. As long as you disappear from Terry's life. Yes.
Crintia, everything he's in the day in the words, he's not all about money. He's not money. Money is not there for everything in the life. Tele, rough me. Me, rough Tele.
Cut the crap.
It's not in the morning.
Can you cut the crap? Love. Terry doesn't even know you. Talk of loving you.
Crintia, his Tele is not know you too. So, the same to you. The same to you. Tele, remember me. No, Tele, remember you. No. So me, you, the same thing. Everywhere, everywhere. Don't. He's the hero, the Lord. He provide, he decide. Leave it for God. Leave it for God.
Most times when you talk, I just laugh. Really?
Yes.
As you sit around, waiting for destiny to be in favor of me? Is that what you're saying? You lie. That's not possible.
Is your leg in a blake? Is your leg good? You not want to see it done? It's you stand. You stand up, you fight me. I stand up, I fight you. You fight, I fight. You fight, I fight. Winner, you take, tell. Get it. Thank you. Don't mention, so ungrateful.
Really?
Yes.
Lest you forget. I am Terry type. You are not Terry type. Listen, I am educated. I am classy. I can dress well. I can speak. I'm not as local like you who can't even complete a sentence. So this is what Terry wants to live with? Do you know you stink when you're young? Just wait. When you will return to your trash land, you will remember this day. I bet you.
Scrintia. It's you, classy. It's you, beautiful. It's you, he gets the money. He gets it fine. He gets a big bum. Big fine clothes or makeup. Big fine. It's you, no get tele. It's me get tele. Huh? You see you fine. You is pursue man.
You're such
man
a
is
joke.
not pursue you. Fine. It's pursue man. Man is not pursue you. Me tele, he pursue me. You still say you get tele speak you. It's tele he talk to me now. Me manage somebody. You he say nobody. Fine. You know do Miss Veronica, one of all nations reporting for duty. It's me give you sand. You go show sand. It's you they drop sand. Wash it. Thank you very much. Hold on.
Good night, ma. Good day, ma.
Have you found out? Is she looking for money?
I can't dey whisper for your own house. You dey fear her?
Shut up and answer my question.
I no think say na money she dey find o. E be like say she dey find, dey try to make sure Oga Teddy remember how we take love and that time. Na wetin she dey try to dey find. And I can't see am where in the kiss am. The kiss.
Oh, poor boy.
Hey, poor boy.
At his mercy of that thing.
That's why I see am o. Think come dey surprise me how as they kiss am, the thing dey sweet Oga Teddy. I can't think say the kiss itself get sugar. Can't say sugar dey for the kissing.
He must have been covered with lipstick, and that is why he's angry.
He's drinking paint.
Chai. Keep your eyes on her. Whatever she does, tell me.
Keep eyes on her. Ma, sorry ma, I don't tire to dey keep eye. Pikin.
Can you drop it? Huh?
I say make I tell you say you too fine. You fine. No be that thing where they walk up and down. They look like shakeleke from Oga Teddy make you marry her. You fine.
Thank you. What else? Is there something else you want to tell me? Why are you in my face? Huh? Why are you in my face?
I say make I tell you say I dey for your side. I stand for your side. I dey stand every day for your side. Okay. I be family. I no be only as girl I dey do for this house. I be family. But I go help you. Make Oga Teddy marry you.
Hi. Chai. Cynthia, you have suffered. Look at this good for nothing house help. Bragging. Who has not added anything to our life? Bragging about serving for too long to become a family. Wants to help me. Listen, woman. Maybe you're mistaking you serving here for a long time or mistaking yourself because the Jones treat you nice. Should not make you not to remember your role in this house. You are a servant. Serve, cook, and stay out of my business.
No, they insult me. You know they quarrel.
How dare you? Answer me when I talk. How dare you interrupt me when I'm talking to you? Are you mad? Listen to me. Let me remind you. If you don't know your role in this house, you are meant to cook, Are you getting me? Clean, wash, and again, stay off my business. Get out! Fool! I don't blame you. I really do not blame you. Eh? Terry, why do you have to... Terry, why do you have to forsake?
Terry, my man.
Yeah, bro.
I was thinking. Did you find closure talking to her?
Closure? Not at all. But each time I look at Cynthia, I get this vibe. I mean, I begin to feel like this is the kind of woman I ought to be with.
Yeah, that settles it, bro. Tell that the Veronica girl to get lost.
It's not that easy, bro. I mean, there's a lot of complications there. Because every single day I look forward to Veronica coming to this house, jumping around, playing around. In fact, I also just want to see what she's going to wear next. And all those things just make me happy. She makes me laugh.
Listen, bro. You can't get married to that girl. She doesn't fit your standards. Cynthia is your girl, okay? Don't let that funny freak show begin to give you funny feelings.
I don't even know how I feel right now. One of them is totally my spec, and the other totally makes me happy. Trust me, I'm perplexed. I'm clueless. I really don't know what to do.
See, not the time you say you know they hear me. Vero, you they hear me very well. Vero, may I tell you?
Rain they fall.
You say? Rain they fall.
Rain, heavy rain like this, they fall for this earlier when I did. So you go just less, calm down.
When make I tell what I want to tell you before you tell me say rain they fall. See, when you won't bring the clothes, because the customer they come by 3 p.m. to come collect their clothes. I will say you know they plan to put me for problem.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I go bring her. I tell my fiancé praise now.
You go bring them. When you finish. See, not come put me for problem now. What kind of problem is this one? You won't carry your bruise come spoil my reggae? Or you won't come pour aside for my Gary? I beg, I no go prison. Bring people clothes, come for me. I just go beg you.
I know. Your Gary, they okay, ever good. Sorry, no verse. I go bring them now lane. If this lane stop like this now, whether now sun don't come out, I go bring them. No verse for me now, beg. Sorry. Today, final.
Ha.
Thank you. Mama, hi.
This girl. Veronica.
Ma?
Veronica.
Ma?
Veronica.
Mama?
How many times have I called you?
Answer.
It seems you are in a hurry.
No.
Be careful.
The way where they look you. Let's say you get plenty things where they hide. But for this house, yeah, you go Dikeh. For this house, you don't know where
Well, I know say I no go school. Now KG3. But I know what in secret be. Secret is something you cannot tell somebody. Secret. So, I know if he tell you. My secret. Sorry, mama.
No, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. But you be sorry when all your secrets will be leaked.
Mama, I know that. Sorry.
Stupid girl.
Yes, ma, sorry.
I don't like this too. Sister. Sister, landlord just left this place now and he's giving us 1 month to pay our rent. Or we pack out.
Chichi, me and you, who's senior? I go slap your back head if you don't answer me. Who's senior?
Sister, it's you now.
I will come from outside, come here. You know if you open your mouth, say, good evening, oh, sister, welcome, oh, sister, how far, oh, outside the sweet, yo.
Sister, good evening, welcome, thank you.
What do you talk?
Landlord just left this place and he's giving us 1 month to pay our rent or we pack out.
So you tell and say we go pay. You tell and say we go pay, Nabi. We go pay.
Pay from where now, sister? You don't stop work. You know they go work again. Every time now, I don't know where they go. Sister, me, I don't know. I don't want me them pursue us go on that bridge. I'm too young to do on that bridge.
No, me too old now. I fit on that bridge. You too young to go on that bridge. Me, they old enough to live on that bridge. My girl, now relationship they do. No be business. Relationship, no be business.
But some relationships are business. Give me, I give you. Take, I take. It's simple. I don't get to see, sister. I don't know what they do. I don't know.
Okay. I never lady. When I lady to ask them, say, Bloss, how far? Find me something. I go ask them. Now I never lady. I still they cook the food. He never done. When he done, we go chop him. If we cook him like this now, he not done. We chop him. He go sweet you from out.
Sister, it's obvious you don't know what you're doing in that relationship. It's obvious. It's obvious you don't know what you're doing in that relationship.
I don't blame you. They speak English now. Now you know book. I don't know. So you feel say you don't get sense. You don't know say everything na planning. Tactics. You don't get sense. Now me nine. I answer you again. Make I know what you think. Tell landlord if you come again, say we go pay me money.
This one, I buy them for. I go tell you. Make it go. Move it, Holly. What? No. Walk. Huh? You walking? Keep your hand
like that.
Yeah.
Walk like that.
Booga.
Veronica, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Did you ever visit me in my personal chamber?
No. I don't visit you for your personal chambers. I know everywhere, even your room. Yes.
Because I had some series of image flashing into my head that suggests that we both were fighting.
Huh? Fighting?
Yes. Did we ever engage in a fight?
Normal. Couples, normal fights, normal. We settle.
Oh.
We settle.
Oh, okay. I wonder why these images keep flashing into my head that I can't even...
You don't remember?
You know what, just forget about it, okay? It's alright. Let's continue. You were showing me how to pose for pictures, right? This one, Booga.
Booga? Yeah.
Booga.
Hang on like this. Yeah.
Booga. Let's
Booga.
Go. Booga.
Booga. Like, Yash like this.
Oh my God.
Yash like this now.
Did I do that?
Now.
Okay.
They waka like this. Now so you they take the waka.
Okay, let's go. Booga.
Right, big man. Holly, let's go. Booga.
thing where they happen to Oga Tele, they worry me. They worry me. Oga Tele no fit remember anything, nothing they hear again, nothing. These two women, they talk love. Oga Tele no know wetin be love again, no they remember anything at all.
Madam, Terry is a grown-up. He can take decision by himself. Okay? You don't have to worry. Go and get the food. That's why we're here. Let's eat. Hurry up, get this thing done.
Oga, no vex. Man, no vex. I don't want to cook that food. I don't want to. These two men, they come and they chop my food. They chop, they eat. They no fit cook. For my village, people who they want marry, then they cook food. Give the mother the mama of the person who want marry them. Cook. Give the papa of the person who want marry them. But their own they sit down. Now me go cook. Now me go serve them. They suppose they serve me. They serve Oga madam. Especially this one will be Pepper Cynthia. She go carry big nyash. She go sit down. She go they eat. She go chop banana. She go chop apple. She go chop this one.
I'll tell you. You stupid. Are you okay?
Yes.
How dare you call me names? Are you okay? Are you mad? Haven't I told you to mind your business in this house?
You eat my food.
You said what? You were paid to serve. What did I say? Clean the house. Take care of every rubbish. Stop mending my business.
Why did you slap her? I don't like that.
Mom, did you hear what
stop that, I don't like it.
Did you hear what she was saying? Calling me names? For what?
Cynthia.
She's a housemaid for Christ.
Cynthia, you have no right to raise hand on anyone in this house. Let this be the last time.
She just called me names. She should mind her business. Somebody needs to teach her a role in this house. Okay?
But I don't need to slap her.
No. And you, this clown, that's taking over your head. She has taken over your brain. You don't even know what you're doing anymore. Rubbish.
Wake up. Arise. Morning.
What are you doing here?
I's doing you blessing. Bless your body. Body strong. You strong. Wake up. Face anybody. Good. You don't like it?
I'll
go.
No, hold on. It's not like I don't like it. It's just that I wasn't expecting you here this morning. I mean, I was just so surprised.
You still telling me? You say, Veronica. You blessy. Let's wake up. Nice. Everywhere strong. Everywhere good. Go. Attack. Everywhere strong. So me blessy. So you allies, you strong. You tell me.
So how did you know that I love to relax very early in the morning?
You husband man to be, me wife to be. I know everything. You telling me? You say, wake up in the morning, it good. So it's me I do it. Huh? Ravi?
Well, hold on. Does this mean that this is not the first time you've massaged me?
No. Every day. Me give you plessy. Morning, plessy. Night, plessy. Christmas, Easter. Every day, plessy. You happy. You strong. You attack. Everybody.
You seem to know a lot about me in private than in public.
You say private. No public. Later, you say, mama, papa, Veronica, marriage. Now you say private. So, me not to tell anybody.
Alright, why don't you just continue what we started?
Ravi? Plessy.
Veronica! Veronica!
Mama!
Come here. Have a look at Cynthia.
Oh.
Cynthia has shown us a lot of pictures she had with my son. And there is an evidence that both of them are one. What about yours?
Veronica, mother is right. I heard that you've been proclaiming with your mouth that you are Terry's fiancé without an evidence. So kindly show us your evidence to prove that you are his fiancé.
Yes? Yes? Mama?
Veronica,
Ma?
I thought you were engaged with my son, as you said. Yes. Where is your ring?
Yes. Okay. Mama, you know, say I dey work very well. So engagement, he pay me. Shook, please. Keep safe. Now, me, I dey work well. Now I dey work. Engagement, safe. Me, work well. Engagement, safe. Me, work well. Engagement, lead. Me, safe. Engagement, keep. Me, safe. Tele, engagement, rules. Tele, vexing. Vex. Everywhere, vex. Love, go.
Mom.
Sorry.
She's such a joker, I swear to God.
No.
Damn.
No.
Veronica.
Mama.
Why come in tomorrow? Come with it. I want to see that ring.
Collect. Yes. Finish?
Will you go?
Ma?
I said just move.
Now.
Yeah, go. I say go.
Sorry. Thank you. Don't mention. So ungrateful.
Mommy, I don't know where Terry get this clown from. Like, what is this?
That girl is crazy. She's not normal.
Sister.
Waiting. I dey here now, they think about my life and how they don't tell me make I go bring engagement link. Where I won't bring engagement link from? How's it? Me I won't find them from now. I don't enter one chance. It don't done for me now. It don't done be that. It don't done.
Even me, your sister, find it difficult to believe you. How do you expect them to believe you? See, I don't know, but you just have to look for a way to get the ring. And you know that guy is rich. So it has to be an expensive ring.
Chichi, you go drop out. Now, you drop out. I use your school fees. When I want to take a save for you to go university, I use them. Go buy the link. Then you go drop out. Because you don't just know how to talk. I dey here, they think about my life. They think I want to take solve this one when I don't put myself inside. You sit down for years instead of you to give me good collect advice like person when they go school. You don't open your mouth, they tell me rubbish. Okay. If na cloth now, no wahara. No one. I get Lady B. I go meet Lady B. Lady B, give me cloth. Oh. Lady B, give me cloth. I carry the cloth. I go do what I want to do. But tell me now, who I want tell make it help me build the link. Who want build the link for me? Who want make them? Who want build them? I want bring them? Who want buy them? How was it? I beg, just leave me make I think about my life.
Sister, I think it's time you give up. Because these people are always a step ahead of you. Each time you make efforts, they are always a step ahead of you. Just give up on this thing.
Come. No be you they blink money. So if you open your mouth, they talk anyhow. Make I give up.
Make I give up. Give up as in how? Huh? If I give up, how won't take leash where would they go? See me, see victory. See me, see victory. Me, victory, me, victory, me, victory. Make I leave victory, they go. Because my sister say make I give up. If I give up, how you won't take it go to school? How's it? I'm not gonna give up anything. I don't leash the flyover. I go jump with the flyover. I go cross them. But to say I dey give up, it no go happen. For waiting. Nah. Velo Onika finds a way. Velo Onika always finds a way. If I sleep for night, I go play, give my God they go put idea for my head. We go do the thing, my brain go dey work. Tomorrow now, we go find solution. Not be this one way they talk. I bet you remove my hand from your body.
Sister, beg.
Look, I don't think this Veronica girl will be shocked today. Look at the time.
Honey, I think the same way. We asked this girl to present her engagement ring. Till now, she's absent.
Dad, I do not believe that she buried the ring in the forest and wild animal ate the ring. Because that is the story she's likely to come up with. To continue this charade. The game is over for her. She was never engaged to Terry, Dad.
Okay. All right. Okay? Look, I mean, we all know who Terry is. He's not one that will compromise standard. Okay. I am not sure about it, but for benefit of doubt, let's give her 3 max 3 days. You know, let's see what she comes up with.
Honey, you know very well that girl is fake. Honey, you know that our son can never give that girl a cheap ring. I know. She must have gone to this backyard and then get a cheap ring from this Aboki people.
Exactly, Mom. That's true. Dad, she's very right.
Okay.
My beautiful daughter-in-law, can you just come around, please? Let me just have a look at you.
Mom.
That is a beautiful girl. And you are my heart desire. Oh, can you just go to the kitchen and prepare me a good meal?
Okay.
What is that you're wearing?
Ring.
I gave you that ring?
Ralph. Ralph.
Why would I do a thing like that?
Ralph. From the act.
I thought I have enough money to give any woman that I intend to marry the very best of life. Why on earth will I just roll up a couple wire into a ring and engage you with it?
No, from the heart.
He has asked you other questions. You seem to never give up. You have lost. You are a loser, Veronica.
Rosa? No! No! Veronica, one of all nations, never done the rules. Never in the life done the rules. Huh? Papa, not only two person in the whole wide world of the whole nation. Now he know about this engagement something. Me and Tele. Tele says don't go. Tele says senseless. Ross. Memory, Ross. Memory, don't run, you don't leave Tele. So me, I remember me, I tell you. So Tele, you say, Veronica, Mama, Papa, you don't fire me. You don't go, you don't fire me. Inheritance since disappear. Gone. So, you say, no money. They say, oh, Tele, no, I love you from top to bottom, of my heart. condition. Fine girl. Fine face, makeup, clothes, everything. It's fine. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? I say, huh? Tell her, yes. How you marry you? How you marry you? Tell her, I love you so much. Marry me. Link everywhere. Fine.
Veronica.
Yes.
So, Terry suspected you were after his... Easy.
Very good.
So, Terry suspected you were after his money. And so he pretended to be broke.
Yes. Yes.
And he picked a copper wire and engaged you.
Lily, Papa, got it?
The story is so romantic. So romantic.
Thank you, don't mention. So ungrateful.
Yes.
This story is a very big lie.
Huh?
Well, she's good, but she used my son's inability of not remembering anything to cook a very big lie that never happened.
Mama.
Watch out.
Mama, Veronica, no, they be a riot.
Wow.
Why?
Wow. Veronica.
I didn't believe you would go this far. Mom, do you know I was actually expecting some cheap ring from some roadside malam. But, woo, girl, you succeeded in bringing up he loves me factor.
Factor, link, mine, you, nothing, loser.
Get out, sorry.
Tell her, Rover, Reiki, shaky. Rub it, thank you, don't mention. So grateful. Memory loss, come back. See it, smell it. Memory loss, don't they come? It don't they come. Enter, link, remember,
But what he did say though is that the medication has been very effective to other patients that have similar conditions. So.
Yes. The doctor man, in the mean say, make you calm down. Yes. Doctor man, if he tell you say, medicine, magician.
You mean if the medicine works like magic?
No, yes.
Say that, but what did he say is that the medication has been administered to several other patients that have similar conditions and it worked for them. So I wonder why it's not working for me.
Wait, Juabi. Time, medicine, work, sense, come back. You gonna get sense again.
Wait. Very
Time.
Listen. I have not lost my senses. I just lost some part of my memory. I'm sensible, okay?
Sense, memory, sense, memory, sense, memory, the same. Everything the same. Good. Joby. Patient, time, come, sense, little. Sorry. Memory, return.
No, but I need my memories.
Okay. I did go that earlier. If I reach there, I say, doctor, give me medicine. I can't give you. Sense, come back.
You would do that for me?
Yes!
I was actually tired. So, by the time you're done, just tell the doctor to add it to my account. I'll sort the bill later, okay?
Huh? Wait.
Tell the doctor to add the bill to my account.
Okay. Doctor man, add bill, account. You.
Yes.
Doctor man, add bill, account. You. Got it.
Fine.
Have it?
Please don't make a mistake.
Never?
Let me go and rest now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tele, let's. Holly. Movie. Solly. Let's. Mama. Mama. Hi. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hello. Raki. Hello.
This cloth where Verovia.
Right.
Resemble your cloth too.
That must be a copy. Mine is customized, and you can't find it in the market.
If you say only you, now ain't get them. Where I can go get this one and buy for market?
Ada.
Ma.
Ada.
Ma.
You talk too much. Go and get me that cloth. Let us differentiate the fake from original.
I did dry cleaner. If follow for waiting, I go give dry cleaner. Madam.
Okay.
Did you tete?
Okay, if you say so.
Madam,
Go.
you don't bring the clothes. So quick. Hey, I forget to tell you, say the customer they not go come till weekend. What's happened?
Nnebe.
Huh?
You get any customer for Jones family?
Now my ogbonge customers now. I know they use those people play. Now my better correct customers. Anything.
You know use them play. You know they use them play. Now you carry their clothes give me. Clothes they be say not even there for the whole of Nigeria. You carry and give me.
See.
I want to take explain myself.
Now they pour saliva for my body. You call me. Say make I give you expensive clothes. I carry expensive clothes give you. How I can't take commit crime?
I like the gland.
And give me a beg.
If you know what make me and you go pleasing, I need that like this. I carry my hand up and they beg you.
Pray.
No give me any clothes when concern just family again. If not, me and you, pleasing we go land.
Come on.
No dry am.
I hope say they never catch you. Because this is what they call Joseph family. They never catch you.
Nnebe, they catch me now a day for a year.
Thank God.
They catch me now a day for a year. If they say they cannot catch me, not be pleasing I go there. Not be pleasing you go come meet me. I go come there here, come give you clothes.
See, I won't even ask yourself. When you won't stop this your contract, this business way they do, when you won't stop her? Because as for me, my mind don't come up for this business. I don't tire.
Anyway, where your mind come on go. Tell them come back. Put them back for inside here. Put them. No worry yourself. Calm down. Very soon now, money go enter. Now you go enjoy pass so. Now you.
I don't tire.
No, just give me any cloth. If you see Jones, even Jones, anything Jones, leave them for me. I no one problem.
I never get the one I won't give you again, safe.
More they go. Go. Wait, make I follow you now.
See, if you follow me again, one light to light, I go ring bottle for your head. This one way you don't tell me in prison. You won't follow me. Make you go check. Come select. You won't wear fine clothes. If they tell you say prison, they will hungry you. If they hungry me, you wear.
I won't just check if you get another one.
I go ring bottle.
Ready, not be so. Enjoyment what? Time!
Sister.
Chicken! When last you saw chicken?
Jesus. Where did you get this food from? This food really looks expensive. See, I'm not sure we're supposed to be eating this food. We've not paid our rent.
My girl, chop it. Chop life for gang. That is what we are now. Enjoy the food very well. I don't pay rent. 6 months in advancing. And I don't pay your school fees.
Are you serious? Okay, now I can eat well.
Yes!
Stop now. You know they do now. Stop it now.
Chichi. Leave him. Oh, sister, Chichi! I go slap you with super hand. You say small meat, you say big meat. You collect the big meat. Why you go collect big meat?
Sister, but you have rich fiance.
Chichi, I go slap you. I go use this super hand slap you now. Leave him. Chichi,
sister,
leave this meat right now. Leave it! Calm down. Meat today. Tomorrow we'll buy another one. Huh? Chop like. Now this, now you make I want me. I don't know where the color you come from. I don't know if you be my sister. I didn't tell you make you leave meat. Tomorrow buy another one. Come chop food. Sit down.
Well, it's fine.
Oh, come on. Finally. You win. Kasi.
Yeah, I won. Now it's your turn.
We are delaying this thing every day. And this girl is winning him over and over. And look at how two of them are looking like real couple.
Mama, allow Veronica to enjoy as much as she wants. I am planning something very bitter for her. And very soon, you see her laughter return into tears, bitter tears. Bam! So don't worry yourself. Something is cooking.
I trust
you. Our joy will not last long.
I have been thinking.
Right.
When are we going to go to your place? I mean, you keep coming here every day, you make me happy. You make me feel alive. And I'm going to go to your place.
Why? Why is you didn't come my place? Why?
I know that I must have known your place, but then my memory
lost it.
Exactly. So we need to, reboot my memory. And moreover, my fiance is all about you.
Yes, Colette. They pay rent. So you know the house you pay rent for.
Exactly.
Lily, Colette. So tomorrow we go. Tomorrow we go.
Great.
Yeah. See it now?
Yes, that's it.
Long one, that'll be a long one. Yeah. That'll be a strong one.
Hello! Will you come down from there? I said come down.
Sorry.
Son! What has come over you?
Mom, she actually dared me to lift her up. I just wanted to prove her.
Such an ugly and local girl.
It's all right. It's okay.
Yes?
Come, sit down.
Yes.
Sit down.
Mama, Daddy, Hajebora went to shop fried rice. Me, Hajebora, with apple eating. One. Terry, you have confirmed to me that you be strong man. Just husband man, strong man.
Wow.
Yes.
Terry, I'm so happy. I'm glad that you are coming around fast. Look at you. You laugh. You're happy. And that's because you spend more time together.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you,
darling.
Yes, baby.
What are you saying? Darling, I care about my son's health, mental health.
I know.
Darling, it's like you want to give them your blessings.
That cannot happen!
It's all right. Come on.
Sorry. Loss of memory isn't loss of respect or dignity. What you're doing with this degenerate, it's appalling.
You two, degenerate? How boring.
Shut up.
Degenerate? How boring. If it vex you, you go, you find your own tere. You pray. Pray with your tere, I pray with my tere. You pray with your tere, I pray with my tere. Tere? Me and my tere, pray our pray.
Hey!
Honey.
This girl is bunch of talents.
You are here quite early.
Hey, Ma, with what happened yesterday, I should not be late. Never.
You know what? She is like an infection spreading without a contaminant through his system. I cannot recognize my authoritative brother. My brother who do not acknowledge low class even has one right now on his golden back.
Hi, Ma. I have applied a pragmatic approach. Yes, sir. I have employed a PI to investigate Veru's life. Everything about her, every single details. Her dirty life, her present life, whatever secrets she's keeping. I have told the person to investigate it and give me details so that I will know where to attack.
That is good. I'm very intelligent of you.
Thank you, Mom.
By the time we are done with her in this family, she will run without looking back.
Oh God, she would never want to meet anybody called Cynthia in her life.
Sister, tele, sister, tele, sister. This place is not a nice, you know. It's not a nice. It's not a nice. You there here, mosquito. Sorry, mosquito. Everywhere, dirty, smell. Not good.
You know,
we see in the house.
It's fine. I really do not mind. You understand? I want to spend a lot of time with you, so I don't care if the whole world knows I'm here with you.
This thing you're telling me, you totally you sweet me. Oh, sweet me.
But one thing though, right? Not like your house isn't amazing. I kind of like the structure and I like the design, the artistic. It's actually good, right? But my issue, don't just listen to me. Listen. So my issue is, I'm afraid that it might just collapse. You know. So I'm taking it upon myself to talk to some of my friends to see if we can get you a new house for you and your sister. Yes, I want to buy your house.
Hey.
Just say yes.
Yes. No? No? Why? His house? No?
You don't want a better place?
No. Thank you. Don't mention. So ungrateful. No?
You know what? Let me catch up. I'll leave you and your sister.
Sister, why did you say no? This is not what we're looking for. Good house and good life.
Chichi, why not go say no? Eh? As my heart they jump with joy and now they jump with joy as I dey see am. Now so fear they catch me. Tomorrow night if everything spoil, how I want take payback? If you put me for big house, how I want take continue for big house?
Sincerely, I don't like what you're saying. Nothing is spoiling. Nothing is changing. What do you want change now?
Chichi, if If they carry us go big house now, and they put us for big house, we go there now, they enjoy. Tomorrow now, he can't get his sense back. What I want take do? How I want take pay the length? Now you go pay them. All the money when I get, not be to carry you go school now, they put up for you to go school. Where I want to get money to pay rent for big house? If everything spoil, we can't come up for the house. Can't go they live for where? Can't come back here again. Can't they suffer from beginning? Better make we suffer now. If I come up for here, I go husband the house. Not if I come up for here, I go big house. They pursue me big house. I come back here again. You come here top to bottom. No now.
Sister, sincerely, I don't like this negativity. At least think positive for once.
Okay. You don't talk finish. No worry. I go think positive, Abby. If I think positive, now positivity, you go pay your school fees for school. Think positive. They go check what you put for fire for that place. Make you see, not chop the food. You go blink and make we chop. Are they hungry?
I go find out. Go tell and say.
Fine waiting. Go
now.
Since I days if to go that house since I go bless. They try to speak English. You know they enter. One day now they go catch me. If they catch me, what you go do? Now you go come bear me.
Young man, what is that your name again?
Boniface. I mean Boniface.
Yes, so what do you want?
I can't see my girl Veronica. You know get here I want again.
Veronica.
Veronica, my baby. Don't let her know see Boniface there. She go show.
Veronica is your girlfriend. And she's engaged to my son?
Where that one won't happen now? How won't it happen? I said that my babe. Now for dream, I been now for spirit world.
Okay. Where is she? Veronica! Veronica!
Yes, Papa! Yes!
B!
What you do for here?
Calm down now. So you think I'm going to see you for here?
Who you be?
Why they run from me?
What you do for here? How you take find here? Who you be?
I can't carry you, Moko come out now.
Carry who?
I don't miss you now. You don't need to see me again.
You declare? Yeah? I go come out your teeth now.
Okay. Wait. Because you don't see guy we get balance. You can't forget. You can't deny me. Say don't know me again.
But I say the thing when you dey smoke, you don't enter your plane. You don't dey cloud your plane.
Veronica.
I go break your head. I go break your leg.
Veronica.
Sorry, Mama.
Did I not tell you? Yeah, Veronica, Mama. I told you that you'll be exposed. Have you not been exposed?
No.
Wait, see, make I tell you, when they go send you go exile, no, like when they call you come for this crib. No, just come they beg me, No, come they beg me.
Shut up! Get out! Boniface. I don't play up with you, Tete. 6 months now, Tete. I don't play up with you. What did they do for you? Get out!
Will you shut up?
Papa.
Don't, Papa. I'm tired.
Mama. Get out! Mama. Get out. Tell.
Veronica.
Yes, tell.
I'm confused. You have a boyfriend and you're engaged to me?
No. Tell. Trust me, tell. You my rover.
Baby, no Boniface. No Boniface.
But he says you are for him and he's for you.
No.
I don't know who to trust.
No, tell her. It's a nonsensical elemental somebody. I don't know him.
Yes.
I don't know him, tell her.
I
am the rover of your
Hey! What do you just shut it?
Sir.
Shut it.
Papa.
Get out.
Papa.
I said get out.
You're right, Papa. Yeah. It's right, Papa.
Are you not hearing that I should get out?
It's okay, sir. Young man, just go.
God will bless you, sir.
All right?
God will bless you, sir.
We will bring her to you.
God will bless you.
So that you can, in fact, you fix yourself.
Yes. People talk say you be a good man.
Yes, just
Nana knows you be a good man. God will bless you, sir.
Yeah, you
God will
fix
bless you.
yourself.
What did they do you?
Come here, stand here. Come here. See my ask you.
What did you do yourself?
Calm down.
What thing? Tell me what you want. See. I said last time they worry me so. I not be sure they do me so.
Tell me, how much will that Pepe Cynthia give you to make you come this house? Come spoil something for us. Tell me, I go give you times 8. No, sorry, I don't get that kind of money. I will give you times 4.
See this one, oh. With this small alawi way they collect. Then you want to give me, you know how much you say to give me? 200K just to talk, say, I be Veronica boyfriend. Say I be a guy. Just 200K. You want to get them from now?
See, me, I be house girl, oh. I be house girl. Now me, they clean this compound, they clean everywhere. They clean even this street. Sometimes I they sweep them. I get money. Moga and my madam. Sometimes then they give me money, then they give me gold and silver and the other one then they call and say, man, they keep them.
You see?
Yes. Touch I go they bring them for you. How do you be like that?
Tell me what you want me to do. What you want me to do?
You go they keep them, they sell them.
No wahala. See,
you
agree? I tell you, I tell you. Cynthia give me 200K. You understand? Tell me how much. Wait, better she talk this thing so. I don't reason now. See, what you would just do for me, be say, on how you get them. Just let me know. I get sharp buyer, who the top buyer. No. You understand? If you want gas, no call my name at all. You understand? No call my name. That's what it will be. Once you don't get them, just bring her for me. And now I go take market and sharp. Yes. I like it day. Go don't collect them. Correct girl. You understand? Correct
4
girl.
times.
4 times. No yawa now. No yawa.
I talk her. Yeah, I talk and say this girl. She get plan for this house. She get plan. She want question of what to fight for. I got that love. Then I fight. Vero when go spoil me. Rubbish. So it happen. Come, sorry. When I tell you, say, make you on Ogatale, they do something. I don't tell you, say, make you carry knife and dagger and scissors. They kill them for me.
Hi. No. Dada, I swear to you. I swear on my life. On my mama when don't bene. I don't get anything at
Keep your hand down.
I don't get anything at all to do with that pony face. So we don't break up. I don't cancel them for my life. No, now don't be like that.
But what make you come carry in 2 legs? Carry in 2 legs. Come waka. Come enter this house with that in big face, with that strong mind. When they talk for this house.
I don't know. Ada, I love Tele. From the
Close your mouth.
From the top to bottom of my heart. Like this. I love Tele.
Close your mouth.
Now, see, I go want that body face. I go want them. You know, whatever you're in, like, near this house again. I don't even know. If you ask me now, I take know this house. Me, except like this, I don't even know.
The Holy Spirit, they minister to me. They tell me something. Say, that Cynthia. He gets small things.
Yes.
When they do.
Yeah, sorry.
When they find. But for me, we be at that of
no nation.
I go find that. Waiting making the judge. Trust me now. Me will be at that. Ada of Africa.
All nation.
I wish I was there to see Vero's face.
She was so ashamed of herself. And I know that Terry will never trust her again, not even as a friend. But come to think of it, that was a master stroke.
You can say that again, Mom.
You're a bad dog.
But right now, Terry will not allow Veronica to stay in the house. He's going to send her back to the slums she belongs. Let her go and meet the trashy, foolish, local boyfriend.
That's too much now. But you know my joy. I'm happy that finally my brother's son will be with a normal human being.
Oh.
I'm not that thing that looks like a clown.
A clown, you said? She is a clown of a girl, that's what I call her.
But you're a very bad girl.
Local, uncultured, no education.
Oh, but that's too bad.
And she is. So you refuse to leave?
I refuse to leave.
I will show you what I made.
Show me. I'm telling that person.
Veronica, come.
What do you?
See.
What do you do for here?
I don't say I will talk here, I go wait until you come back to me. But as you do like this now, no, I don't agree. You know what I see now? See, because I don't say this man Allah, so they make you they forget what you get between me and you. You understand?
Veronica.
As I like this, I can't carry video go house now.
Boniface, you dey class? You get class for your head.
You say
what do you do for here?
You dey mad.
I don't just say they engaged. I dey engaged to somebody. I don't know somebody. Come for here.
You dey talk rubbish.
Yes.
Let this be the very last time I see you near my fiancé again. I promise you, I'll have you locked up and you will never see the sun.
Sun!
Okay now.
Now scram.
We go scram! As you stability first woman, I go show you over confidence, I make February no complete.
February kill you!
Tell me what's this? Tell me what's this?
Are you
I guess it didn't go down well as planned. Come on.
I want to ask a question. Is it scientific that animatia changes people's character? Because I can't believe that Terry defended her, even threw a punch for her, and even gave her a hug of comfort.
Well, I can't even recognize my brother's son anymore. He's changed so much. Polite. You know what? I preferred him before the accident. Then, he wouldn't have even showed or looked at that ugly girl, talk more of loving her.
Love? I don't think Terry is in love with her. I just feel Terry is scared that the toy that he's obsessed with is about to leave him. That was why he decided to rescue her. Yes.
Well, you don't need to give up.
See, I'm the love of his life. I'm the only one Terry loves before he lost his memory.
I understand. But you don't need to give up. You have to fight for what belongs to you. If you love him, go for your love. We don't need to give up now, okay?
Sister,
Yes?
this is why you're happy like this. What happened?
If you asked me yesterday. Now yesterday, now this smile for my face, it starts. But you just look me, you not ask me since yesterday, they ask me now.
I noticed. So tell me what happened.
Bona, Colette.
Colette, how?
Yes. You collect punch for eye. Yesterday, you can't tell a house. You can't, they shout. They open the mouth. They say, Ingo, do me, see, I go see something. Can't they drag me. As they drag me like this, naturally just come out like this. Punch am for eye. He punch am, just say in eye like this, You don't swallow up. Opolo, you don't dey in eye. You don't see something. Till like when they pet me, say, make I no vex, stay sorry. They pet me. As they pet me like this, they sweet me. I can't even they form cry. That's clean. Girl when I talk say he gets big nyash.
The girl, pepper enter her eye. She see something. Ha! But it just they sweet me, just they fight for me. Where I be?
Hey, you're beginning to fall in love, Abi. You like him?
It's not it now. Just if I dey look the boy like this, he smile. As he just they smile, they keep your face, they talk, they pet me. The thing just they sweet me for me.
Sister, I'm happy for you. You guys are really making tremendous progress. For him to get into a fight for you, that's protectiveness. Wow. Protectiveness, sister.
You no feel for your once in your life. They use English when somebody feel just they understand. You just they speak big grammar because of say they go school. Calm down. They come down to my levels. Chichi,
sister,
problem there.
What happened?
As this boy just they do me like this now, help us pay rent, buy chicken, do nice. Everything just they help. They talk to me nice. You even no care as I they be they go. You just they rob me. The thing don't they enter my system, eh? What if one day like this now, you can't catch me, just carry me go jail? Or you, worse, you no can't like me again. Now heart Blake, oh. My heart now it go Blake.
I know.
I don't they feel am.
Straight heartbreak, I understand. But sister, love na risk. Take am. Most times we don't know if it will end well or it will end bad. But as your heart beats for that person, just let it flow. Okay? Because if you don't, you might live to regret it, and that regret will be worse than heartbreak. Trust me, sister. Okay, just let it flow.
Okay. You get sense. Yeah, fetch water now. You don't bath?
No, I dey go toilet. Toilet will disturb me.
You dey go toilet? I talk am. Why you not go toilet? All you know how to do na chop. You go chop so your belly you go just swell up like this. You go toilet, go dey shit up and down. If you don't mess that place, finish now. You can't do for person who can't dey suck toilet. They suck away. Everywhere done full with your plenty food where you go dey deposit for there. See ya. Only food na you know how to chop. You don't dey fat oh. You don't dey fat. Hi. Ada. Sorry.
I hope say you are not Gatari, you no get problem.
Huh? Why? Everything nice. Everything good. It's going pyom. I see.
Look, I did. Thankfully, you like very well. I want to tell you thank you from top to bottom, up thank you for every big things what you they do for me and my tele. Thanking you.
Wait. You know the two they do that way they do.
Sorry.
See, I know they do waiting my madam. Tell me for this house, say they do for where you dey. My madam tell me say make her they spicy you. Anywhere where you enter, make her they spicy you. For me, I know they do her. Because me say I like you. You won't rub me this paint for body.
Sorry. I know. I know say you like me. I know say you like me so much. I know. Sorry. You know say you hate me before. You couldn't like me now. Why is it? How is it? Tell me.
See. No be say me I hate you. I know hate you. This the way why I hate that Pepe Cynthia. I hate that Pepe Cynthia.
Yes.
For me, I know say if you forgot to marry that Pepe Cynthia, enter this house where me I dey. I don't dey. You go carry me like this. You come up for this house. Nothing make me I dey do everything where they me I give for hand. So I say you marry you.
I'm ready.
Never marry you, they happy.
You got to marry me. So, you dey do it for me and you.
Make they thank me. They thank me.
Ada, one of all nations. Ada, one of all nations. Your shoes shine. Your face show.
They thank me.
Your shoes shine.
They thank me.
Your face show.
Thank me.
Your shoes shine. Ada.
Listen, me, I know sabi dance.
I got tissue.
Wait.
Sorry.
It was nice, right?
But you tell if they want to chop food, you tell me. I cook food for house. Food. My own is sweet, where? It's sweet. If you want to chop, you tell me, I cook you.
Okay, Veronica, trust me, I know that you cook excellently well, much better than this. But the thing is, I didn't want to stress you at all. Moreover, I wanted to use this as an opportunity to suggest something really important to you. Yeah,
Tell me.
I want you to consider enrolling for evening school. I mean, it will help you improve on your diction, communicate properly. It will help you read and write, and you need all the skills.
Tell
Yeah.
Is you ashamed in me?
No, I'm not ashamed of you.
No. Me, I love you. You love me for me. I love me for me, you love me for me. It's no, they love me for me, it's me no want. I love me, man, you love me for who is be. Who I be.
Well, you know what, see, when a man loves a woman, he does everything in his capacity to improve her, fix her, mold her, modify her, upgrade her, make her a better person, right? So that she can be able to communicate effectively with people. And the more reason I want to do this is because I want to set up a business for you. Yes, and you need communication skills, you need to be able to analyze your products, you need to be able to relate properly with your customers, you need to manage your business.
Tell Collect! Collect!
So I think that was a yes, right?
Yes. Thank you. Don't mention so ungrateful.
Well, it's actually not ungrateful. It's ungrateful. That's why you need to go to school.
Ah!
And by the way, thank you for agreeing to this.
No? It's me, it's thank you. It's you, it's not thank me. So, thank you. Don't mention so grateful.
So
nice.
You're going to be educated.
Yes. Where is me do evening in the school?
Okay, we can actually enroll ASAP.
Where ASAP?
I mean, what I meant to say is that we can resume, we can actually register you as soon as possible. Maybe even tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Veronica, one of all nations, you go school tomorrow, get education. Nice. Thank you. Veronica, do doctor. Veronica, go hospital, you cut someone. You bring a baby.
Okay, bring out the baby.
There you go.
I need to get something. You seem happy today. Another good news.
Yes.
Police, they've arrested Boniface.
If not that one, if was with me, Bonobi and guess again.
You're pregnant for Uncle Terry.
No get sense.
No, sister, stop.
How you go talk that kind of thing? How I go carry belle for tele when you never marry me? How I go even carry belle? I don't they do. Mom say you never they do cause me, we no go do until we marry. Now I tell you, This hand when I take chop up like this, I go and take slap your face. I don't tell you, say, we're not gonna do anything. Me, you, we go there like this, as God take to us, until we marry. Nothing will go anywhere. Nothing will enter anywhere. No, the guess again. I know see your blame go soon start to dey pain you. I go tell you. You not spoil my happiness. This smile, it go dey my face. Oh yeah. The good news is, smile first now. I don't dey start school.
School? Sister.
I don't dey start school. Tell us say you go put me for school. Say you go open business. I go sabi school. Use the school when I sabi take sabi the business. I go start the work am. We go come up for this house. That time landlord, it go come up for your mouth. That time when they blush, you come up for your mouth. Cause no go forget mouth now to talk to us again. Cause you don't get new things. Not the suffer again.
Sister, I'm so happy for you.
Yes. Happy for yourself
so
too.
Happy for you.
You too.
But I'm a bit bothered though. It seems you're falling in love with this guy. And you know you're scared of heartbreak. Sister, you're my only sister. And I love you so much. I don't want him to break your heart. So I don't want to sit at home and watch you cry over that guy. You know he's from a rich family. And just take a look at where we are now. We're poor. And sister, please just take your time. Take things easy, okay?
Chichi, I want thing. One thing. When be secret. When I know what make you remember, now just they bother me. Because if you remember now, it could be problem for me. I know they say I know make it no get sense again, no. I want make it sense, make it come back. But I don't want to make you remember what I do. He go spoil everything. Chichi, I don't even tell you. Because if I tell you now, you go be like say, wetin I know, you know am. You don't come calling me. As they calling me, they go calling you too. They go say you be accompliceness.
Sister is accomplished.
Chichi, less in Jesus' name. And they talk important thing when they bother me. They talk account. Make you not find that. Because I don't know. This thing when they do not be from my heart though. Now make we not suffer nowadays. See where would they stay now? I want to make you finish your university. Make me now, as in don't put me for school. I start business. We'll start to the work. Everything go there. I not go they do this thing again. I know they like the lie when they lie. You know they sweet me. Why you dey sit down? Should we just come back? No, go inside, go change. The food, no, go check food inside. Make we know if anything there. Make we warm and chop them. You sit down you sit down. They stand up and go do something, Joe. Go inside. Should we just they come back? Take this thing. Hang on for them, make it dry. You go inside. Check that food when remain yesterday. If you feel warm and make we chop. Go.
Son, what am I hearing? You enroll her in school?
Come on, Mom. Do I need to remind you the importance of education?
Maybe I should also remind you that she's not your class. She's not your kind of girl. Instead of you to kick her out of this house, you adopt her like a project. Really, Terry?
You want to convert Tukumbo into a brand new thing? I told you that this girl is after your money. That can never happen.
Yes, Mommy.
Mom, you know you're right about one thing. I would do anything for Veronica. As a matter of fact, I offered her a big house. Yes. And she turned it down. And then I offered her a brand new car. Guess what? She turned it down as well. I offered her money and jewelry and every other good things of life. She said no. But then again, when I offered her education, she said yes.
Oh,
Mommy, think about this.
Oh,
does she strike you as someone who wants to leech on me?
wow. She played you. Wow. Wow. You have really, really worked on Terry. Someone that has no education or degree certificate, but has human psychology. She said no because she doesn't want you to feel she's with you because of your money. And you will do more for her and insist she takes it. And when she takes it, you would think it's because you insisted. That was why she took them. This is what I call a reversed psychology. Well done, girl. You have really done well. You played the game very well. Wow.
Sorry.
Don't sit down.
No, Mama. Sorry, Mama. Scripture.
Veronica.
I rushed here as soon as I got your message. You said it was urgent. What is it?
See, I don't know if you've noticed, okay? But Terry has fallen in love with the other woman.
What?
And he wants to call it off with your relationship with him.
Without him waiting to remember what it was like being with me? He just wants to end the relationship just like that?
Exactly. See, I managed to persuade him earlier today, but I do not know how long he can wait. His thirst for that woman is growing rapidly. He doesn't see anything wrong with what she does.
This is a nightmare. I cannot believe that Terry is about to leave me for a local girl. Like, if people get to know about who Terry is leaving me for, they will taunt me. Like, people will make jest of me. They will laugh me. A local girl.
See, you know I am on your side, okay? But you need to do something about this as soon as possible. Else you're going to lose this guy forever. You need to do something about this.
I really appreciate you looking out for me. You know, this means a lot to me. Thank you. I promise to put a more aggressive approach to secure my man.
You have to.
Thank you so much.
You just have to.
When a man is blinded by love, all we need to do is to reveal who she really is to him. Unmask her.
So, how do we unmask her?
To show her real self. Who she really is. A thief? A fraud? All we just need to do is make her lose her cool. And her real self will be revealed. Her tout, her street life, who she really is. Then we see in his own perspective and realize that he is not supposed to be with such woman.
Wow, a good plan you have. But what if she controls herself?
The push I'm about to give to her, she can never control it. She can never be able to control it.
Screentia! Rubbish bonbon! Screentia! Huh? What did he do to you? Why you dey touching my bag without permission? Why is it? Why is it?
Why do I need your permission to search a thief bag? Why do I need your permission?
Hey.
Oh, you think I will not know? Or I will not catch you red-handed? When I found out my things were missing, I should give you permission to search. Look at her. Learn me to search your bag.
Screentia! Screentia! I'm gonna beat you black and blue
Pharaoh, if you dare lay your filthy, local, dirty hands on me, I would make sure that I have... David!
Get off me! I remember it all. How could you? How could you tell such a lie in confidence, even in this seat? We met each other just once, and you turned it into an engagement.
Give my money, oh! Give my money!
You
what did they do you?
What is good for you? You better just go because I'm not in a good mood right now. I need to be in your best interest. You leave right now.
Wait because you're good mood.
Get your hands up.
Get my hands off waiting. Off waiting. Come on, give my money. I don't clean everywhere for you. I arrange everything. They tell me come on, give my money.
No, you listen to me carefully. Even know what is good for you because I'm not in a good mood right now. You leave my house and get out of my house.
Tell me. Look me and tell me. Now make us your bad mood. Now make us your bad mood. Wait till my cleaning and your bad mood. Look me now make us your bad mood.
Meaning what?
Come on, give my money. I don't feel it. Get my money, sir.
You have been exposed finally. This is you. This is the true you.
Don't touch me.
Come back here.
Let her go.
Thank God you're back. Thank God. Welcome back.
My son is back.
We won't miss you.
My son is back.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Oh, you've been crying since last night. Just stop. Stop crying now. I told you would have just collected that money and leave those people alone. These rich people are very wicked. Stop crying, I beg. Stop. It's okay. Stop.
Chichi. If not say, I don't lie. Wetin go make Tele even look me? Wetin go make her look me? He go see me. If he see me for road, no be dirty girl go call me. Everything when I do, now because of I know say when I stand now to collect money. No, not fit collect money again because he can't dey show me love. Now I don't remember. I don't even know. You sure say we don't even come up for this just go collect police, go carry us for here.
Sister, it's okay. Nothing will happen. It's okay. Stop crying now. Stop crying. I don't like the way you're crying. Stop crying, okay? Sorry. See, everything will be fine, okay? But I've told you, you would have just taken that money and run away. These rich people, there's a way they behave. I don't... Stop crying, I beg. Sorry. Okay? Sorry. Sorry, okay?
Where must start from now? Where? This late now when I want to go pay again, I want to do it. This school when they put me, I want to continue.
Sister.
No be that one I even the dog now. My mom say I want to get my tele back.
You will get it.
As I don't go forward now, I want to get my tele back.
Dad, Mom.
Son, you're all set, right?
Yeah, I'm about to step out.
Terry, it's been 1 month since you gained your lost memory. And you have been so cold, distant, and have buried yourself in the company. What is happening to us? What is happening to us? Mom?
Terry, Cynthia is right. You have to go back the way things were and have a focus on making progress. It seems you don't want to marry again.
Well, yes, I may have regained my memory, but I am very far from being a happy man. I have been so miserable recently, and I find that the only way to knock off my misery is to overdose myself with work. Work. That happens to be the only escape route that I know now. I keep punishing myself for Veronica's crime. And if it was money she wanted, why hasn't she come back begging by now? Every single day, I look on my phone expecting to see her call. But that local, ugly, proud girl would never call.
Why are you waiting for our calls? She is a fraud. Fraudsters hide their faces when they are being caught. Moreover, I thought you hate her. I thought you were angry with her, aren't you?
Yes, I am angry at her. In fact, that's an understatement. I'm terribly mad at her. Terribly madly in love with her.
What?
I'm so sorry, Cynthia. But the fact is, you and I don't see any future for us. We can never be together, okay? Veronica is the woman that I love. She gave me love when I needed it the most. And there's no way I can see myself spending the rest of my life with anybody else. I just hope you understand.
Sorry. Sorry. You know I'm in love with you. I forgot how we used to be together. The promises you made to me. How much I love you. Don't do this to me, Terry. Please don't do this to me.
I'm so sorry.
Cynthia.
Terry, look at my eyes. Just look at me. Cynthia. Just look at me, Terry. Please look at me.
Cynthia.
Please, Terry.
Come. Cynthia.
Terry, I love you. Please.
Oh, come on. Just let go of my hand.
Cynthia.
Please.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Mom, please. Mom, just
come and sit down. Come and sit down. Come. Just come and sit down.
We talk to Ibrahim.
We'll get to that. Come. Come and sit down. Sit down.
She lied to you. She cheated on you. So, how did you get to trust her again?
Dad, if I remember, it was you who taught me to always follow my heart. Yes, maybe this all started with a crazy lie. But what I feel inside of me right now isn't a lie. I am madly in love with Veronica. I'm madly in love with that bald-faced liar. And I'll never forgive myself or live with myself if I don't go out there right now and find her and tell her exactly how I feel. If not, I'll run mad. Please.
Then, go for her.
Dad!
You have my blessings.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You have my blessings.
Thank you so much. Come on, please.
Son, I love you so much.
It's all right.
At this point,
it's okay.
You can follow your heart. I give you my blessings.
Look, some things happen for reasons. They happen for some reasons.
Terry!
I don't need waste. I know say you go come. I tell you say you go come. Your sister don't go please, you know. I know. I beg sorry. Oh yeah.
Veronica,
I don't lady.
Take it easy. Just listen to me. Listen to me, okay?
Sorry.
Yes, you're supposed to pay for the rest of your life for hijacking my heart. But you know what? But if that lie had not happened, then the truth about our love and how we are destined to be together would not have prevailed.
What's in the talk? What's in the talk? Eh?
Ever since you left, my life has been so miserable. I love you so much. I'm in love with you. And I can't spend the rest of my life with anyone else. I want to grow old with you, Veronica. Veronica, I want you to accept this ring as a real fiancé and not a fake one. Veronica, will you marry me?
Yes. I will marry you. I will marry you. Veronica, I love you.